Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna open my slime and my egg. Let's see what's inside the egg. That's not opening. I hope something's in here. I don't know what it is. I already got it. Oh, I think I got it. What is this? Get out. Too eggy. I think I got flamingo. I didn't know. There's a flamingo in this thing. Wow, can I take a flamingo? This does not look like chocolate. This is not chocolate, guys. Do not do that. It does not taste like chocolate. It does not taste like chocolate, Mom.
Show your friends your flamingo.
Ooh, look at this flamingo.
Let me see.
Look, flamingo. Ew. Now I'm gonna open this next.
What's that?
It's a slime. There's something in here. It's like a pterodactyl in this thing. It's like a cracking egg. I'll get the green slime. Wow. It looks like, ouch. Wow. There's like a pterodactyl in this thing. It's so icky. It won't come out. Green slime.
You gotta pull it out.
I'm trying to pull it. The pterodactyl's not coming out. I reached through. Can you get this out?
You are getting it out. That's not gonna work. Now you have slime.
No. Off the egg. Oh my god, it's like icky gooey stuff.
Ooh, so try to pull it out some more.
Ah!
Ooh.
It's like glittery green-ish stuff. The pterodactyl's not coming out.
Keep trying.
Come on, pterodactyl. You try. You get it. You try.
Let me try.
Let's see if you can get it. Wow, you almost got it. You almost got the whole thing out.
Okay, so I got most of it out for you, so now you can do the rest.
Rest?
Yep.
Oh, the pterodactyl. No. It's dark. How do you get this pterodactyl out of this?
You gotta take the slime off of it.
Ugh, gotta get the slimy off of this. Slime? If the slime doesn't get off of you, I'll try a new way to get that off of. I got the rest off of this. I got the rest. I got it.
You got it out?
I got the pterodactyl unstuck. It kind of looks like more slime on it.
And where did you get this from?
I got this from
A museum?
Cox Museum.
Yeah, you got it from the Cox Museum.
Ah, this is just like
It's awesome.
Yeah.
So you have a pterodactyl,
It's
you
just
got
like-
some slime,
Ooh.
and you got a flamingo. Ooh, you're gonna put this flamingo in the slime?
Yeah, stop.
Is it trapped?
No, yeah. It just fell out. Oh, can I have the bottle? Why can't you get the piece of slime out? Oh, it's broken. Dude.
Okay, so now you have to name your flamingo. What are you gonna name your flamingo?
Okay. Charlie.
Charlie the flamingo?
Yes.
And what are you gonna name your pterodactyl?
Charlie.
The flamingo name is Charlie, so you have to give the pterodactyl a different name.
Lobi.
Lobi?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
so
like
Charlie
two
and
friends.
Lobi.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Icky.
This is so much fun.
Yeah. How can't you get the bottom out?
There's more stuck in there.
Yeah. Can you get it? How do you get this out? Come out. Come on, get out. I'm gonna use the flamingo. Flamingo won't last.
Let me try.
Okay, you try. I'll just play with the slime that's out. It's like humongous. Come on, guys. Hop, hop.
Do you know what a pterodactyl is?
No. Yeah, tell me.
Do pterodactyls live? Are they alive now?
No? Yeah.
From back in the day?
Yes. This actually looks like a booty. It looks like green. It looks like green stuff. Kind of looks like a broccoli.
So I got all the other slime out.
Smells like broccoli. Smells like broccoli.
It smells like broccoli?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's so icky. Smash stuff.
Is it icky or is it just squishy?
Squishy. It's
And-
so icky.
Green,
Yeah, it's covered.
glittery.
Yeah. I lost it. I'm gonna get the pterodactyl's feet stuck.
Pterodactyl stuck in there.
Yeah, the feet stuck. Come on, there, run down. Oh, this looks like a slimy pterodactyl. I'm gonna make a burrito.
I'm gonna make a burrito.
Yes, kind of looks like a choppy. Kind of looks like Sonaroo.
Ooh.
No. Ah. Thanks for watching. I have a flamingo, pterodactyl, and slime. And thanks for watching. Bye. And stay healthy and rise up. Bye.